Knock sensors on, and I'm test driving, watching the RPM gauge again. So far there's no check engine light, and it's going into overdrive, so let's take it down the street. That's first. Second. Third. Now we're in overdrive. That's third. Didn't have third at first. Well, actually that was overdrive. I felt that the last gear, because I think it's a 3-speed with overdrive. The RPM staying normal. Before the RPM was up there around 3 grand when I was at 60 miles an hour, and the check engine light will pop on. And yeah, she's riding good now. Turn around up here. I don't have no windshield wipers, so I can't see where I'm going. Didn't want to put those back on yet. So we can turn around right here. So now we're back down at first. I'll drive. Turn around here. I don't get run over. Around here. All right, let's get back on the wide open road. Okay, I'll try and let you watch them. $3 grand is your shift. There we go. Every 3 grand is your shift. So I'm doing about 60 miles an hour. RPM's normal. So no check engine. Freaking flying. But no windshield wipers. It has the overdrive button. You can turn the overdrive on and off. I kind of don't want to even try it. It's shifting so good, I hate to even mess up a good thing, but what if they accidentally turn the overdrive off and then turn it back on? So we're going to check that. If I can turn. Okay, overdrive button is off. You see the OD light off. Maybe I need to come complete stop. See how the RPMs are staying up there high? It's not even shifting. It's just staying at 3 grand. Because the overdrive is off. Now we're going to turn the overdrive on. That's what it was doing before the knock sensors were bad. Wouldn't let it shift out. Let's pull over here. Alright. Overdrive off. Complete stop. Shifting every time. One more shift in you. There you go. There you got it. That's what it was. It was the knock sensors. The knock sensors will tell the computer to tell the transmission not to shift if they're malfunction. And I suggest, like I was saying, get some new ones, and if you can, get the new harness, because the plugs will break on them, and the wires might break inside of the harness, because there's some little bitty wires that gauge of the wire is not that thick. So, but to save you some trouble, I would get it all, so you won't have to pull the intake back off. I wouldn't go to the junkyard and get. I mean, unless you go to the junkyard and you take the intake off and they're shiny, brand new, I would get some used ones. But if you can, I would recommend you get new ones. So anyway, we're gonna put this baby back together and the customer will be happy.